Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you another video today. I've just been to Stampin' Up on stage training and these. So this is a this is a clear mount stamp set, and it's really difficult when you put the picture on the stamp to get it to stick to the blocks. So I put glue on it to make it stay. So Stampin' Up have listened to our problems and they've come up with, sorry, I need to just put that back. They've come up with a different rubber stamp. So this is a set I got at Stampin' Up, and I sat last night and I did most of it. So I didn't do 4 of them because I wanted to show you. So what I've actually done is I've taken the backing off, so you see it can stick. So I've taken the backing off of the thing that they all go in. So see here, this is what I've. So what you should have done, what I should have done, because I kept the paper on it. Look, how stupid. So exciting. So you just put that on there, and then you carefully, and then that stays on. Okay, then you put that back in there, so you can see from outside which stamp you want. Is it fitting that side? So I've done the same to that one. Look, can you see? I can see it because it's white. Look, and it shouldn't be. So put it on there, take that off, get my pokey tool, get that off, and put now day. So it's got to be like that, hasn't it? There you go. Put that down, and then that will now stick. But you've got to be careful when you're pulling it up because they are really sticky and you don't want to be ripping your stamp. So that's what Stampin' Up was saying yesterday. You've got to be really careful that you don't rip anything. So that's in the wrong place. Is it? I don't know. Yeah, it should be that way around. Right, so you get this strip of words and you get your stamps. Okay. And then so that one's got awesome on it, and so has that one. So what I did was I took the, can you see? I took the backing off there, and then I took the backing off that one, and then I lined it up on top like that, pressed it down, and then lifted it off. It's easy, it's not difficult. And if you go wrong like I did on those other 2, because it was late last night and it's not very light in my living room at night, it's a bit dark. So let's do another one, show you how easy it is. Look, take those off, take that one off. Okay, lay it down, press, there you go. Happy belated birthday. Put that in there. Some people don't use this. They just throw that away and then just have the stamps on the case. But I want to know that I've got all my stamps, because when I'm in class, sometimes, you know, I don't know if I've got all my stamps in my set, and I don't want to leave, because I rent a place. I don't want to leave stamps on the floor, or, you know, we do check, but you can always, or somebody's put it in their, you know, it's dropped in their bag. It can happen. See how easy that is? It's amazing. No more gluing my stamps. Because I like to have the picture on. I like to see, because especially with these words and, you know, you can't always tell which way up they are if you haven't got the words on the back. So I find it much easier. So I want to make sure I've got this. There you go. It needs to be round that way, look. So line that up. Make sure it's lined up. There you go. And that is done. I am so happy with that. There you go. And this is an amazing stamp set. Love it. Absolutely love it. Itty Bitty Birthdays. It was one I got free out of the box when we shared. So, right. I hope that's been helpful. Cling stamp set. So what they never used to be called that, look. Yeah, even this one has got the new, this is called Clear Mount, and this is, look, the same, but now they're calling it Cling stamp set. Okay, so I'm hoping that's helpful. I don't want you to go around ripping your stamps, because that's not what this is about. So I love all these. Can't wait to use them. Take care. Bye.